Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to expand double brackets. We've got 4 success criteria, and the first one is to be able to expand single brackets. To expand means to get rid of the brackets. So when we expand brackets, we multiply everything inside the brackets by what's outside the brackets. So we do 3 times 2a, which is 6a. Then we do 3 times 5, which is 15. So our answer is 6a plus 15. So you need to multiply everything on the inside of the bracket by the number that's outside of the bracket. Again, we need to multiply what's inside the brackets by what's outside of the brackets. So we do 4x times 3x. Now 4 times 3 is 12, and x times x is x squared. So we've got 12x squared. Then we multiply 4x by minus 2, which is minus 8x. Here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So for this question, we need to times 3 minus 4b by 10. So we start by doing 10 times 3, which is 30. Then we do 10 times minus 4b, which is minus 40b. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, there's your amber answers, and there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 1. So now we're going to move on to number 2, and this is to expand double brackets. So here we want to expand and simplify x plus 3 and x plus 4. So to do this, we can use a grid method. So we need to do x plus 3 times x plus 4. So we need to times each term individually. So x times x is x squared. X times 3 is positive 3x. X times 4 is positive 4x. And 4 times 3 is positive 12. So now we've multiplied everything, we need to simplify it. And we can simplify the x's. So 3x plus 4x would be 7x. So our final answer is x squared plus 7x plus 12. Here's another example. So this time we want to do x minus 2 times x plus 5. So we set up a grid method, and we do x times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. 5 times x is 5x. And minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. So now we've multiplied, we just need to simplify everything now, and we can simplify the x's in the middle. So minus 2x plus 5x would be positive 3x. So our final answer is x squared plus 3x minus 10. Here's another example. So we want to times x minus 4 by x minus 3. So we set up a grid method. X times x is x squared. X times minus 4 is minus 4x. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. And minus 4 times minus 3 would be positive 12. Remember, when you multiply two negative numbers together, they make a positive number. So now we've multiplied, we just need to simplify. And again, we can simplify the two x's in the middle. So minus 4x, take away 3x, would be minus 7x. So our answer is x squared minus 7x plus 12. Here's another example. This time we want to do x minus 5 squared. Now remember, squared means times by itself. So we want to do x minus 5 times x minus 5. So we set up a grid method. X times x is x squared. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. X times minus 5 is also minus 5x. And minus 5 times minus 5 is positive 25. So now we can simplify the x's. And minus 5x, take away 5x, will be minus 10x. So our answer is x squared minus 10x plus 25. Here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So for this question, we want to do x minus 2 times x minus 7. So we set up a grid method. X times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 7 times x is minus 7x. And minus 2 times minus 7 is positive 14. Now we simplify the x's. And minus 2x minus 7x is minus 9x. So our final answer is x squared minus 9x plus 14. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers. There's your amber answers. And there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 2. So now we're going to move on to number 3, and this is to expand and simplify expressions with double brackets. So we want to expand and simplify this expression. So we start by doing a grid method for x minus 3 times x plus 1. X times x is x squared. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. X times 1 is just x. And minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. Now we need to times everything by 5, but we're going to simplify it first. So minus 3x plus x is minus 2x. Then we can multiply everything by 5. So our final answer is 5x squared minus 10x minus 15. Here's another example. So we start by multiplying x plus 3 times x plus 4. X times x is x squared. 3 times x is 3x. 4 times x is 4x. And 3 times 4 is 12. We can simplify that to x squared plus 7x plus 12. Then we do the same thing, this time for 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. So we multiply these two brackets together. 2x times x is 2x squared. X times 1 is just x. 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x. And minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. We can simplify that to 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Now we're taking away the whole of 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. So when there's a negative sign in front, we've got to change all the signs. So it becomes minus 2x squared plus 5x and plus 3. Now we can simplify this. X squared, take away 2x squared, is minus x squared. 7x plus 5x is 12x. And 12 plus 3 is 15. So our final answer is minus x squared plus 12x plus 15. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, there's your amber answers, and there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 3. Now we're going to move on to number 4, and this is to apply expanding to calculating the area of shapes. So we want to find an expression for the area of this triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, we do the base times the height, then divided by 2. So we've got to do 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 4, and then divide that by 2. So we expand the double bracket. We do 2x plus 4 times 2x plus 2. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. 2x times 2 is 4x. And 4 times 2 is 8. We can simplify that to 4x squared plus 12x plus 8. And then because it's a triangle, we always need to divide everything by 2. So we need to divide everything by 2. So our final answer is 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, there's your amber answers, and there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 4. So now that we've completed the last objective, it's time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the other videos on the rest of the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya.